So we are here in the Tesla, and I want to review quick the sunshade I got for it. I'm gonna look at the sunshade here. I'm gonna post the link for the Amazon. I'm not affiliated with this company. I just want to show you how this looks like, right? So what we are looking for is a tiny little gap here. That's okay. So, and then here in the back, we have a large gap all of a sudden, and we wonder how that happens. So the thing is clipped in with those little clips here. Let's have a quick look at how those look like. So they go in here like this, and then they go in there. But the problem is that the whole thing here is shifting often. So every time you have this incredible acceleration, and we all know that those Teslas are so fast. So especially when it's warm, when you accelerate, the whole thing here, the back, it's shifting backwards. Because it does not have anything here in the back, right? It's loose here, over here, by the window. And so then every time you accelerate, it moves a little bit backwards. And then you end up with this thing popping out like this. Okay, and then you have a problem. Also, it's possible that you lose those. You know, they fall off. And that's annoying. So those are made out of ABS. And if you want to 3D print your own, possible, you can do that. Yeah. Go here a little in the middle. You can 3D print your own. I'm gonna put a link down below where I upload the files where you can print your own. Okay. Now, I also designed another one of those here. And as you can see, that has this little hook in there. So that little hook gets stuck up here. Let me show you. So I'm going to put this in here. Oh, come on. So you need to print this out of ABS. So you plug this in all the way in. Here at the corner it mostly fits, and then push it over to the side. So that kind of hook prevents it from going this way. It's stuck there now. You can take a look at this again. Yeah, let's see here. Where's it here? Look. See that? That little ridge there keeps it from being able to go back. So I'm going to put this over here. Now in the corner it fits in between here, because you need to get a little in between, and then you can push it over here. So there it won't come loose anymore. That is fixed there. So now I have this one here, there. Hard to do this here with one hand. So there it is. Look at that. That holds it like super tight in place. Now it cannot go backwards anymore. And it will stay in place the whole time. Now up front you don't have the issue, because it only goes here against this barrier, you know. So that's working pretty well there. Up front I could use one or more of those clips in the corners there, but I think it's okay here. Yeah. So up here it fits much better up front, and the back is where it was going back. And if you don't print those parts from ABS, they will melt and change the shape, and then once they bend, then they fall out. So you need to print this with ABS when it gets really hot in here. Alright, so I hope you liked this video, and I see you in the next one.